One of the topics that is always there on your Leaving Cert is coordinate geometry. Let's have a look. A line L has the equation, and here we have the equation. And then what do we need to do? We have to show that the point 4 and 1 lies on the line L. Now, 4 and 1, that are coordinates of the point, the x and the y. One thing that we have to understand about the points in coordinate geometry and any line, doesn't matter whether, like in this case, that's a straight line, can be a curved line, can be a circle. When we have points on those lines, it doesn't matter where they are and what kind of line. Each of those points will have different x and y, isn't it? Different coordinates because it's in different position. That's the reason why all those equations for those different lines in coordinate geometry will have letters x and y, because that x and y represents all those points, and all those points have different values. So when I have a point on any line, that means that this is the value of x, this is the value of y. So that's what I do. I replace y with 1, and then x, on the other side I have a half, multiply an x with 4 minus 1. And if that point is on that particular line, that equation will be true. What does that mean? This side of the equation I have 1. When I put all of that in my calculator and press equal, I will get 1. And indeed, 1 is equal 1. That is true. Therefore, this point is on the line. The same idea could be given to you, and especially like circle in coordinate geometry, or it could be another line. Always the same. X and Y represent the point. Okay, let's have a look at second part. So in second part, we have to draw that line L on coordinate diagram below. In the domain, meaning in the domain, that means that value of x is between -4 and 5. And that's what we have. These are values of x, -4 and 5. So in order to draw a straight line, we need 2 points. We already have 1.4 and 1. So 4 value of x and 1 value of y. So we know that is one place. But we need one more point. How do we find it? Well, this line L, the way it is given to us, we understand, let me write that here, that is how that line is written. Now, what that is showing us, that half is a slope of the line, and that -1, that is the place where the graph of this line will cut the y-axis. So this line will cut y-axis at point 1. And there it is, I have my second point, and therefore we can draw the line. Now that line should expand because it should go in this domain from -4 and 5.